Alright, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, it's been 2 months. Where was I? Kuch nahi, nothing, just taking a break and moreover work, man. We are got to put in the extra work to fix certain things. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. अभी भीख मांगनी स्टार्ट कर दी मैंने because if you subscribe I'll be more consistent just keep making consistent weekly videos. So what's the plan today? We are going to review amul's प्रोटीन बटरमिल्क. अमूल ने एक बढ़िया गेम खेला है. आफ्टर कोविड लोगों के दिमाग में ये बैठ गया कि अगर आपको अपनी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ानी है तो यू नीड टू हैव मोर प्रोटीन, विच इज़ काइंड ऑफ राइट, बट प्रॉपर स्टडीज़ नहीं है टू बैक दिस. बट ठीक है मेक सेंस. बट एनीवेज people started focusing more on protein, which is great. अमूल ने फिर सोचा कि चलो ठीक है, let's give people something, let's give the masses something. 25 रुपीज़ में आपको एक 200 ml का पाउच मिलेगा and उसमें you get 15 grams of protein, which is great. However, आपको ये अपने किसी रिटेल स्टोर पे नहीं मिलेगा. You need to make sure you buy it from Amazon or even from Amul's own website. But before we review it, see this. आगे वो पुराने दिन याद. Intermittent fasting is back and another day, another fasted state workout. Let's go out and get a decent push day in. So drinking amul buttermilk protein. Let's see how this plays out. We have the amul protein buttermilk. इसके ingredients का it's very simple. It has milk solids, water, iodized salt and वो stabilizers और कुछ नहीं. और बहुत simple ingredients है. इसमें whey solids नहीं है. Why? Because it's not exactly whey, it's entire milk solid which has been used over here, which is actually nice because it has more of calcium. मैंने सुना है इसका टेस्ट हद वाहियात है, बट अगेन अगर आपको 25 रुपीज़ में 15 ग्राम प्रोटीन मिल रहा है तो क्यों नहीं. It tastes weird. But it's not bad. It's like salted dense दही, उस पे उसे स्ट्रॉ से पीना. मुझे इसमें स्ट्रॉ का कोई पर्पस लगा नहीं मुझे, बट ठीक है. It's good. I would rather have this in a bowl, put some onions on it and have it with my दाल चावल जो भी घर पे मिल रहा है उसके साथ. I would prefer it, but not bad at all. For 25 bucks you get this. I think it's a steal deal, man. Amul, the taste of India. पूरा पी लिया मैंने almost. It's not that bad. ठीक है. A lot of people complain it's very bad, but it does have an aftertaste, like a very strong aftertaste of slightly rotten curd. It's very slightly rotten. ज़्यादा heavy taste भी नहीं है, but ठीक है. मुझे दिक्कत नहीं है इससे. I'm kind of used to it. मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. This is kind of growing on me. I'm going to reach home and I'll find a way. I'll give you a proper way to consume it with your meal. Let's see, एक दो चीज़ें एक्सपेरिमेंट करूँगा जो स्वाद में सबसे अच्छी लग रही है, ट्राई करेंगे और थोड़ा साइंस में भी घुसेंगे. एंड दैट्स इट. घर मिलता हूँ आपसे. ऑलराइट, वी आर बैक होम. आराम से बैठ के इसे रिव्यू करेंगे. मीनवाइल आई ट्राई टू डू सम कंपैरिजन बिटवीन दिस और मेरे पास एक एपिगामा की योगर्ट है एंड the muscle blaze raw whey protein which I'm using. Alright, so we have three things over here. We have the yogurt, we have the protein buttermilk and we have Fuel One by Muscle Blaze. Yeah, I don't use those expensive 6,000 bucks fancy tasty on and all those imported because Indian man, proud Indian army, 15th August आ रहा है, support Indian brand. And ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि just because it is imported it is going to impact your muscles better. No, it's just a marketing strategy. I know अगर इन दोनों का comparison करूँ तो obviously इसमें nutrition ज़्यादा है because this is proper extract from buttermilk. This is one of the best hydration drinks right now. I would prefer this over a Gatorade after a football session. Simple as that. Why? just because it cools down my throat. No, because it has sodium, it has potassium, simple as that. And not just that, it has vitamin A, D, riboflavin. Or there are studies which directly indicate that it does help reduce the cholesterol level as well. But अगर ये बात है तो why do people buy this? ये क्यों लेते लोग? सोचने की बात है ना. Things are getting pretty serious. I got pen and paper to break it down. देखो weekend को भी मैं I'm doing logic and stuff. I mean, senpai man, senpai. I want to break down everything and just tell it to you because internet पे you'll find people who support a certain product and who start hating. और hate का culture तो भाई साहब it's on a different level these days. There is a whole section of Instagrammers and YouTubers who just make content which focuses on hating people. किसने कुछ गलत preach कर दिया तो उसके ऊपर चढ़ जाएंगे. देखो, for an example, I don't know, someone is saying कि इसे करने से ये होता है, or probably this is the best exercise for fat burning. I know it is wrong, but buddy, you making content out of it, that is so 2010. It's super cringe. Alright, कुछ नया करो. Everybody knows it is wrong. ठीक है, गलती कर रहा है, ठीक है, वो अपना कर रहा है, करने दो. Why do you want to hate it? But ठीक है, I mean, this is not, you are not a superhero. Don't think you're a superhero because you're just pointing out someone's flawed content. ठीक है, वो अपना कर रहा है, तुम अपना करो. तो anyways, ठीक है, जिसे जो करना है करो. My point being, I'm going to give you clear detailed analysis of where these three products stand in terms of protein per 100 किलोकैल एंड प्रोटीन पर रुपी. सो उसके बाद आप डिसाइड करो जो आपको करना है. ठीक है, आप डिसाइड कर लो कि यू वांट टू बी अ लेफ्टिस्ट और फार राइटिस्ट. डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट मैन. सो एनीवेज, टू स्टार्ट ऑफ विद वी हैव प्रोटीन बटर मिल्क. इसमें पर 100 किलोकैल यू हैव 13.88, which is not bad, right? 100 कैलोरीज में आपको ऑलमोस्ट 14 ग्राम ऑफ प्रोटीन मिल रहा है, which is great. And उसके साथ you also get bunch of minerals, some macronutrients as well, and again calcium. Calcium is super important, especially if you're an athlete. Next up we have the Greek yogurt. इसमें आपको 100 किलो कैलोरीज में आपको मिल रहा है, ड्रम रोल, you get 10.88 grams of protein. Not bad, right? Not as good as the amul protein buttermilk, but does a decent job. But again, इसके अलग benefits है. It acts like a great probiotic. It's great for gut health. और यार इसका स्वाद अलग ही है. You feel great after a workout. Third, you have the Muscle Blaze whey protein. I'm using raw whey protein. This cost me around 2099 for 1 kg. ठीक है, तो मैं बस ये लेता रहता हूँ. I keep stocking it. So anyways, इसका पर 100 किलो कैलोरीज है, कितना होगा? What do you think? Is it less or more? Yes, of course it is more. It is 17.51. So 17.51 is the amount of protein you get served for 100 kilocalories. Now let's talk about something which is very important, which is price. आपको 1 रुपये में कितना प्रोटीन मिल रहा है? Come on, we are all Indian. We don't always go for the most expensive things. Instead, we want to get the best for the best value, right? So, let's talk about protein buttermilk. इसमें आपको 1 रुपये में you get 0.6 grams. Not bad, right? As most of you guys already know, Epigama yogurt is slightly on the more expensive side. It's $55. I know $55 for some it might be not much, but for some it may be if you're planning to consume this on a daily basis. Add it up. Anyways, इसका पड़ रहा है for 1 rupee you get 0.11 grams of protein, which is kind of less. But ठीक है, yogurt है, so इससे ज़्यादा protein भी मत expect करो. And lastly we have whey protein. तो इसमें हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? आपको पूरे डब्बे में 28 सर्विंग्स मिलेंगे, ठीक है, और एक सर्विंग में 35 ग्राम्स ऑफ प्रोटीन. तो बेसिकली इफ़ यू डू द मैथ एंड पुट all algorithms, trigonometry and Laplace theorem, for 1 rupee you end up getting, guess how much? 0.32 grams of protein. इसलिए तो दुनिया वे प्रोटीन के पीछे पागल है. But again, 0.32 for 1 rupee versus 0.6 for 1 rupee, but with extra nutrition. अभी आपको सोचो आपको क्या करना है. और एक और चीज़, यहाँ मैं मसल ब्लेज का वे प्रोटीन कंपेयर कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है. अगर मैं ऑप्टिमम न्यूट्रिशन लूँगा, इट वुड मोर और लेस बी the same as buttermilk. In fact, it would be less than buttermilk. तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे? I'm going to make this taste good. I'm going to give it that senpai touch. How you can have it on a daily basis with less efforts. Okay, the ingredients are pretty simple over here. Just tomatoes, little bit of cucumber to cool things down, and of course protein buttermilk or salt and pepper. That's it. Sometimes this does get a bit thick. I like it extra thick. Honestly, घर में जब कुछ भी सिंपल सा दाल चावल बन रहा है, बस डाल दो इसको, साइड में खा लो चुपचाप, बिना किसी को पता चले. आपको 15 ग्राम प्रोटीन मिल जाएगा. This is something you should definitely try. So, to wrap up the video, is this something that I'm going to replace my whey protein with? Absolutely not. But is this something that I'm going to reorder? Of course. ये रायता बना के रख दूंगा, जब भी चाहिए मुझे डालता रहूँगा और क्या. So if you think this is a great product, do comment, let me know how it is, and appreciate the watch. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.